Okay, so the base in which 32 times 5 equals 223. So first of all, let's start by finding out what base is. Right, so a base is just a medium of figuring out numbers. So we use base 10 today, meaning that our number system goes from 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stops there. And then we continue with 1, 0, 1, 1. So we just use all of these pieces, 0 to 9, to make more numbers. Okay, so that's what we use now. So that's base 10. But if it was base 4, we'd go 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we'd only use these to make numbers. So after 3 would be 1, 0, then 1, 1, then 1, 2, because we're using the numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3 to make others, and we make them bigger. Okay, so now that we know, so basically a base, the largest single digit number that it can go up to for a base less than 10 is 1 less than that base. So if you have base 3, 3 take away 1 is 2, so it goes 0, 1, 2, and then it starts over 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now that we know that, let's look at this question. 32 times 5 equals 223. Now 5 is the biggest number here, and that means that it's at least base 6, because 6 take away 1 is 5, so it will go up to 5. So we're going to try doing this sum in base 6 and up until we find something that works. Okay, so let's start with base 6. Now I'm just going to write in purple here just the first couple of integers in base 6. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you stop. You go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you start again. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 30, and so on. So let's do 32 times 5 in base 6. So this is how you write the base, you just write it down there. Okay, so first of all, how can we say, so we start with 2 times 5, and how can we rephrase this? Well, 2 times 5 is 2 lots of 5. Okay, so let's find that. So we have a 5 here, and we do the next number that is to come when we move forward 5 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 14. So that tells us that 2 times 5 in base 6 equals 14. Okay, so we put the 4 down and we keep the 1 in mind because we're going to have to carry this on, just as in normal multiplication. Next, we have 3 times 5. So this is 3 lots of 5. So just as before, we have 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on from that, and then 5 on from this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's 3 lots of 5. And that gives us 23. But remember, we have to carry on the 1. So 1 more, 24. 1 more space. So this is our answer. So 32, 6 times 5 in base 6 is 244. But we're looking for 223. So base 6 is wrong. Okay, so that means that it's not in base 6. So now let's try base 7. Okay, so base 7. What could work from base 7? Well, 7 take away 1 is 6. So from 0 to 6 and then onward. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and so on. Okay, so 32 times 5 in base 7. Okay, so start in the same way. 2 lots of 5. So we have 5 here and 5 more places on. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time it's 13. So write the 3 down. Remember the 1. I'm going to carry this on. And now we have 3 lots of 5 from 3 times 5 here. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on. And another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 21. Excuse me. But we have to move on one more from the one that we're carrying over. So one more place gives us 22. So write that down. And there we go. 32 base 7 times 5 base 7 gives us 223, which is what the question is asking us. So now we take this, and that will be our answer. So answer is 7. Okay, so that is problem of the day for June the 7th. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.